Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A77 and I'll show you Link or Unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to the system settings. Here click to power button and now just click to press and hold power key. Now by press and hold to the power key button we could see here the power off menu. We could switch it to the voice assistant, so now let's got it. Let's just press and hold the power key button and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully turned off. If you wanna turn it off, just switch Google Assistant to the power menu and that's it. So, and if you use the Google Assistant, if you link the Google Assistant to your power key, just by press and hold the power button and volume up button, you will use the power off menu by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.